Welcome to part 2 of the BMW M Sport conversion series. In case you missed the last video, we did the M Sport front bumper conversion and it was surprisingly easy. These cars are really modular in that all these body panels can be swapped out with little to no modification, which is great. Today we're going to be swapping out the side skirts for the M Sport ones from Buice Motorsports. Links for everything will be down in the description. You guys already know what to do. Let's just jump right into this. So this job should be super simple. You don't even really need to jack up the car. I just did that for the video so I could get the camera in there. That way you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. But all you really need is a T30. Underneath here, there's just a bunch of T30 screws. Just be careful if you're going to use power tools because the screws are only made out of plastic. You know, make sure you've got your tool going in the right direction. That way you don't just grind the plastic off. But other than that, I think this should be pretty straightforward. You can look at your new side skirts to kind of figure out where everything goes and how it lines up. But really nothing to this project. So here's a close-up look at those screws, and again, they're just like flimsy plastic. They're really more of a fastener than a screw. I had one of them towards the center that wouldn't come out by unscrewing it, so I literally just popped it out with my pry tool, but that's what they look like. So once you remove those fasteners from the bottom, there's just a handful of clips that run along the top side of the side skirt. Again, you can look at the new ones to figure out where those are. And then you basically just have to very gently just kind of grab this and pull back on it. I already did the other side off camera to figure out how it works, but that's really all there is to it. And then as I was going along, I opened the door, that way I could kind of get my fingers in through the top. So here's a side-by-side look at the original side skirts and the M Sport ones. Now the cool thing about these is, in addition to that cool swoopy line down the side that gives it that M Sport look, these actually hang down about a ½ inch lower than the original ones. So even if your car's not lowered, these will actually give your car a lower stance. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take your new trim and just make sure that you've got the wood on the inside. And you're just going to line it up, just like that. Alright, so the key to installing this is, if you look at the underside, this flat part where the screws go in, this gets sandwiched in between the underliner of the car and the body. If you try to put this on the outside, it's just not going to work, it's not going to line up. Ask me how I found that out, but anyway, let's throw this on. We're going to start out at the front, line it up, and just work our way down the body of the car. Alright, so that's really all there is to it. Super simple project. This won't take you very long at all. And again, the links for the side skirts, the bumpers, everything will be linked down below in case you want to follow along and do this M Sport conversion on your car. One last thing that I want to recommend is this electric ratchet. This is one of those things, I don't know why it took me until now to buy this. Super handy, especially on a job like this where it's just a bunch of monotonous stuff like taking out 20 of the same screw. Just makes your life so much easier and faster. If we were using like the manual like ratchet, we'd probably still be there taking the first one off. But yeah, this thing is just a game changer. My only complaint about this one is that it didn't include the batteries for some reason. You had to buy those separate, but other than that, really useful tool. If you're getting into working on cars and you're trying to build up your toolkit, I think this should be one of the first things that you buy. I'll drop a link for this down below if you want to check it out on Amazon, but that's it for this one. Stick around for the rear bumper in the next video. I'm really looking forward to seeing this whole thing done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So now what you want to do is Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to take your trim and just make sure that the wood is on One last thing, give me a follow on Instagram if you haven't already. I post car photos, sneak peeks of projects that I'm working on, as well as the occasional skate clip. If you like what you see on my channel and you want a behind the scenes look at my content before the videos go live on YouTube, make sure you're following @JustinBuice. Yes, the U in my last name is silent. That's all. Peace.